Industrial IoT protocols. Let's learn about the key communication protocols of industrial IoT and explore how these protocols enable seamless data exchange and control. MQTT is a lightweight publish-subscribe messaging protocol designed for remote monitoring and low bandwidth, high latency networks, ideal for scenarios where reliable communication and efficient data transmission are crucial. It is suited for applications like smart agriculture, logistics, and remote asset management. CoAP or Constrained Application Protocol is designed for resource-constrained devices and low-power networks. It is suited for IoT scenarios with energy-efficient requirements. It works well in environments where devices have limited processing power and memory. It is often used in applications like smart cities, industrial automation, and home automation. OPC-UA, Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture, is an industry standard protocol for secure and reliable data exchange in industrial automation. It focuses on providing interoperability between different systems and platforms. It is essential in applications such as industrial control systems, manufacturing processes, and SCADA systems. Modbus is a simple and widely adopted protocol for communication between electronic devices. It is widely used in SCADA systems, process automation, and industrial control applications. It comes in different variants, including Modbus RTO, Serial, and Modbus TCP Ethernet. It facilitates communication between programmable logic controllers, PLCs, and other devices. LoRa is a wireless communication technology designed for long-range, low-power applications. It is suitable for remote sensing, monitoring, and control in industrial environments. It enables long-distance communication while conserving battery life. So now let's review and compare these protocols. MQTT advantages: lightweight, publish-subscribe model, efficient on low bandwidth networks, supports QoS levels. Disadvantages: not ideal for real-time applications, requires a broker for communication. CoAP advantages: designed for constrained devices, low overhead, works well with UDP, supports resource discovery. Disadvantages: limited to UDP, may require additional gateways, not as widely supported as other protocols. OPC-UA advantages: industry standard for secure data exchange, supports multiple platforms and operating systems, scalable architecture, offers built-in security features. Disadvantages: more complex implementation compared to other protocols, may require specialized hardware, higher resource consumption. Modbus advantages: simple and widely adopted, established in industrial automation, versatile in communication, serial and Ethernet, well suited for SCADA systems. Disadvantages: limited in terms of data types and structures, lack of robust security features, may not handle large data volumes efficiently. LoRa advantages: long range communication, low power consumption, suitable for remote and battery operated devices, cost effective for wide area coverage. Disadvantages: limited data rate compared to other wireless technologies, subject to interference and propagation issues, not suitable for real-time applications. So, industrial IoT protocols are integral to the success of connected industries. Each protocol has its strength and use cases. The right choice depends on specific requirements and constraints.